Good everyone, my name is Graphics. If you look at the right hand side of the screen, you see a figure and we are told to reproduce that figure using the principles of tangency. I have successfully reproduced the figure on my drawing sheet, but I would like to explain some terms or terminologies that are used in constructing or reproducing figures using the principle of tangency. Terms like internally, externally, internal and external, all those kind of stuff, right? A fillet. So what you need to understand is point one, whenever you are constructing a figure or you are representing a figure using the principle of tangency, you must know that you are working solely only on your radiuses. Whatever diameter you have, you must convert them to what? To radius. Are we good now? Now look at this closely. If you look at this figure, this is a bigger circle, right? And this is a smaller circle, right? And this bigger arc from the figure you're looking at is the one connecting this bigger circle and the smaller circle. Are we good now? Now, I now showed you what it means that this is the continuity of the bigger circle here to make you know it's a circle, that the arc you're seeing at the right side of hand of the screen is just the part of the circle. That is why you are seeing a radius. And we don't know what the center is. We are going to look for the center in order to connect these two circles together. And since these two circles are inside the bigger circle, you say they are what? They're internal. Because they are internal, you're going to subtract their radiuses. How? This is how you're going to do it. You're going to subtract the radius of this smaller circle, which is 20, as you can see, from 105. And that will give you 85. You will now place your compass at that center of that circle you are considering and you bisect, measuring your 85 on your meter rule. So from here to here is 85. Right? I can do that for you. You see that? From 0 to this point, this is 85 here. And you place at this point, you strike an arc. Is that okay? And this one also, the rest of this one, we are given in diameter, you convert it to radius, divided by 37.5 by 2, you get half 37.5. You subtract it from 105, and you're having what? 68.5. You measure 68.5 on your meter rule, and you play at the center here also, you strike another arc. So where they meet will be the center of this circle that makes up this arc, or the center of the circle that this arc is cut from. Are we together now? So if I now place at that point, you can see this is it. I will be having this way. So that is the center there. Hope you can see that. Now let's move to the other one. So you understand what it means to say something is a circle is internal now, right? Now let's see this. We are considering this arc. From the right hand side, you can see that this arc that connects this bigger circle and the smaller circle. Now the arc is going in, right? Is going in. Is that okay now? This one is going out. So know one thing now. When it is going out, you are going to subtract. That it means that is what? It is internal. When it's going out, it is internal. You are going to what? Subtract. Now this is going in. Now I now completed the circle. So this is a part of a circle, but we don't know the center of that circle. So we need to know the center of the circle. That is why we are using the principle of tangency. So this one is going in, meaning that these two circles are external. They are on the circumference of the bigger circle. These two are in the circumference of the bigger circle. These two are on the circumference of the bigger circle. Because of that, you see they are external, they are outside. External means they are what? They are outside on the circumference of that circle. In this case, you are going to what? Add their radius. The circle here, the arc here has a radius of 50. Subtract the radius of this smaller circle 20 from this bigger circle, you add it, 20 plus 50, you have 70. You place it at the center here and you mark your what? Your 70 by measuring 70 on your meter rule. You measure 70 from 0 to 7 is 70. You place it here, you strike an arc. In this case, you strike in front of it, not behind it. You always strike the side that is what? That is going in. So now I'll come again, 37.5, I add it with 50, I place this circle here, I measure 87.5 and I mark also. And I will meet at a point. That point will be the circle that makes up this arc that connects these two circles together. I don't know if I am making sense here. Are we good? So this is what we have. This is the difference between a circle that is internal and a circle that is what? External. I use this layman words, right? A pothole you want to fill. This is a pothole and you want to fill. What will you do? You add cement or you add some debris on it so that it will make the pothole to be in the same level as the surface. So you add. So when it's going in, you add. Similarly, especially for women or most men that have pot belly, what they want to do, they don't like their pot belly, they want to reduce their pot belly. So when you want to reduce means when you have something like this, you're going to what? Reduce their radiuses. People that have flat belly want to have flat belly. And to have flat belly, you have to reduce fat. So you reduce it by subtracting it. So this is a layman way of remembering all these things. Are we together now? So, and this is what I will explain on this video. And if you want to watch the complete video of this, you can just click on this link at the top right corner here on the screen here, or you check at the description box below, or I'll pin it to the top of the comment section here. Start taking now. So if you know this video has been helpful to you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.